Hello and good morning, YouTube moderators. My name is Jonathan Reinhardt. I'm the owner and operator of Reinhardt Group LLC, and I'm making this video today as an appeal video. My channel's been flagged for reused content, and I would just kind of like to walk everybody through how I make my videos, what I'm using to make my videos, and some examples of my videos. So, without further ado, here's the link to my YouTube channel. I'll also put that in the description here as well. But let's discuss, what I'm using to film my videos with here. I have a GoPro Hero 11 that's filming us right now. I'm Reinhardt here again, and today we're going to be unboxing my GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition, or I'm using the DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone. Today's episode is centered around the full review on my DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Or I have my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I caved, I finally did it. I got my brand new phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And then I have a set of Blink 500 B2 Ceramonic audio transmitters that I use for all of my audio here. They're my microphones, so I have it right there on my little tie. And then I edit everything right here inside my Mac computer on iMovie. All right, and we're just gonna hop here in my iMovie and just kind of take a look at, just some of the videos that we've been working on here recently. And we'll just hop in the Cybertruck video here. So as you can see, this is kind of what goes into when I make one of my videos, what exactly goes into it. So there's several clips that go into all of this, a lot of editing that goes into all of that as well. So that would be a good look at, how one of my videos kind of comes together. And that's kind of how I'm doing a little bit of my editing right there, all of my editing right there in iMovie. Let's hop to some examples of just some of the work that I've done here and posted. We had a solar eclipse on April 8th of 2024 this year, and I made sure to be out there with my drone. So here's a video of that. And today we are checking out a solar eclipse with a drone. We are in the path of totality. We have a DJI Mavic 3 Classic here. Another example would be, this is me ordering my Cybertruck. Tri-motor, all-wheel drive, 301 miles, the estimated range. 2.6 seconds, 0 to 60. It's how I ordered it, what it looked like to do that. That's what a lot of my videos are kind of surrounded on right there. Kind of how-to and personal experiences. And then speaking of personal experiences, the video that blew my channel up to monetization was, it's a video called My Mom Called the Cops on the ATF. Well, we really did have the ATF accidentally go to my parents' house while they were looking for my brother. And my mom ended up calling the cops on them. It all turned out to be just fine. It was honestly a really, really great experience. But here's a little bit of that video. It's probably at close to 1 million views by now. These two plainclothes people, you can kind of tell they have badges once you see them get closer to the door. But before that, I mean, they just pull up in an unmarked Mercury Mountaineer. It's red. I mean, it's probably like an $8,000, older vehicle, probably like 140,000 miles on it. And that's me in those videos. Those are, those are my original footage right there. And then let's hop to some of my short content as well. And all this short content that I'm about to show you, I've made these in the last month. I make them right on YouTube Studio. I add the audio right there in YouTube Studio that I'm supposed to add. And, that's pretty much all that I do right there. But the first video I'd like to talk about, this is a video of just us at the dealership. This is my team here, my sales team, and we're all just kind of walking around for the day, waiting for that day to finish up. And this is a video straight from my phone here that I had saved to my Snapchat memories. And I posted this as a short, so you can see that. And then the second video that I'd like to show is, this is my Uncle Mike. He made a really, really nice putt. Yet again, this is a video here that I took directly on my phone, and then I added the audio right there in YouTube Studio, and that's how it was made. And then the third short that I want to talk about, this is me. This is actually me, and I'm just engaging in discussion about, they're like little fuel pumps that you can put on top of gas cans. And as far as my short content goes, that would be a few examples of that. I make them right there all on YouTube Studio and then post them right to my YouTube short. So, that's pretty much my YouTube channels in a nutshell. I just kind of post how-to videos and talking about my personal experience and trying to engage into some discussion here. So that's me. My name is Jonathan Reinhardt, owner and operator of the Reinhardt Group LLC. I can be contacted at that email, reinhardtgroupllc@outlook.com. That should be the same email addresses associated with this YouTube account. And anything further that I can do for this process to try to help explain or show more about what I'm doing or how I'm doing it, I have no problem with doing that. So thank you guys so much for your time today. I hope to hear from you soon. And like I said, if there's anything more that I can do for this process, let me know and I'll get it handled. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.